Okay, dear students, example number 1, physics for scientists and engineers, Giancoli. So example 1, so I have to write the given information from the example 1. The current flows through the charges, okay, a steady current of 2.5 ampere. So the steady means the constant current moves, so value the current is given, so I is 2.5 ampere in for 4 minutes, so the time t is 4 minutes. 4 minute mean 4 into 60, that gives us 4 into 60 6400 seconds. So the time t is 2400 seconds, not 2400, I think it's 240, sorry, it's my mistake, 240 seconds. Okay, the time is given and the current is also given. Okay, how much total charge pass through the wire? Okay, so we need to find the total charge q. So we use formula I is equal to del q over del t. So the del q is equal to I multiplied by del t. So that the current is 2.5 ampere and del t is 240 second. We just put and we multiply these two things, we get 600 coulomb. 600 coulomb del q. Okay. Okay, for the part B, how many electrons would flow? So we have to find number of electrons n. So in order to find the number of electrons, we use formula q is equal to total q is equal to ne. Let me explain this formula. One E is the charge on one electron, that is 1.6 × 10⁻⁻19 coulomb. So if one electron has charge of this, so if n electrons, how many total charge on the n electrons? We multiply 1 E with the n. So q is the total charge. Total charge is equal to charge on one electron multiply total number of electrons, or number of electrons. It's better to say that this is number of electrons. If we multiply charge on one electron with the number of electrons, we get total charge. So n can be found by using q by E. So the q is already we find in part 1, q is 600 coulomb. So 600 coulomb divided by E is 1.6 × 10⁻⁻19 coulomb. So we get the number of electrons, the number of charges, that is 3.8 × 10⁻21 electrons. Okay, I hope it will work. So q is equal to ne. Ne is the charge on one electron, n is the number of electrons. When we multiply with the charge of single electron with the total electrons n, so we get the total charge capital N, capital Q. Okay, thank you.